Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to continue the revision of the lesson Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. So as you know, Seeing Eyes Helping Hand, this is a project. This is a one project. In this lesson, we have seen how to write a formal invitation, how to write a written notice. Okay. And I have told you that go and search different ways of the writing notice and a formal invitation. After that, we have seen an oral invitation. An oral invitation in which I have told you teachers made phone calls to some special invitees. Here is a sample of one such telephone conversation is there. So there is a conversation between receptionist and teacher and news editor. Okay. So this is about the oral invitation. Now, student passed the message to their parents. Here is a sample. Here is a sample. This is also we have done. And we have studied what the formal invitation have. The 8 important points we have studied. Okay, quickly I'll just read it that 8 point and then we will move towards the next question, prepare a formal invitation. Okay, so these you have to keep in mind these 8 points when you are making a formal invitation. Who is sending, giving the information? Who is sending or giving the information? What is the program? What is the name of the project? Who will inaugurate it? Who will inaugurate it? Who will preside over the function? Who will preside over the function? What time will the function start? What time will the function start? Where will it take place? Where will it take place? How many names get mentioned in the invitation? How many names get mentioned in the invitation? So these are the 8 points you have to keep in mind. Now prepare a formal invitation for a function you have arranged at home. Okay, it should be clearly state the following points. So it should have the following points. You have arranged one function at your place. And what are the necessary points? First point is, who is inviting people to the function? Who will inviting people to the function? Second, the date and time. Second is date and time. Very important. A polite request to attend the function. A polite request to attend the function. Okay. Now, what the program is? Program kiske baare mein? What is the subject of the program? What the program is? Or the place where the function will take place, the venue. Venue, the place where the function will take place. Venue. Okay. So these are the points you have to keep in mind, that it should be there in the formal invitation. Okay. I have given you one formal invitation. Okay. So in that I have written, see, I am reading that formal invitation that I have given you. You have written it. Okay. In the center heading invitation, Mr. Subhash and Mrs. Kirti Sapre cordially invites you along with your family on the occasion of their housewarming ceremony. Okay, Mr. Subhash and Mrs. Kirti Sapre cordially invites you along with your family on the occasion of their housewarming ceremony. On Sunday, 25th June 2017 at Lakshmi Niwas, Hariprasad Road, Vile Parle, East Mumbai. Timing is 11 a.m. Your present is the best presence. Present. Your presence is the best present. So we have written this. Okay. We have written this. Yes. Now question number 3. Write an imaginary telephone conversation in which you invite your friend to the above function. आपको imaginary conversation लिखना है. Okay. So you have to do it. Hello. Hello friend. How are you? So he will ask you, how are you? So you will say, I'm fine, thank you. Okay. So you will say, at my home, there is a function. Which function you are going to explain? Okay. When, date, time, venue, where it takes place. So all these things, this you have to tell about your So, imagine someone has invited you, your family to a program, and you are the only person at home when the invitation was given orally. You are the only person, you are there. Okay. When the invitation was given orally. Write a note of 4 to 5 lines to pass on the message. You have to pass on this message. For that, you have to write down 4 to 5 lines on the message to the other people in your family. Okay. Or write an imaginary conversation in which you pass on the message to your parents. Okay. So you have to write down the 4 to 5 lines in the sentence. Write an imaginary conversation in which you pass on the message to your parents. Okay. So this is about the project Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. So here you have to, I have given you homework also that write any Go and search for types of formal invitation, written notice, okay, on the internet and try to write down. So imagine that someone has invited you or your parents. So how would you give message? So dear mom and dad, you will say, dear mom and dad, Sudhir uncle has invited us for a surprise birthday party. Sudhir means his uncle. Okay. Dear mom and dad, Sudhir uncle has invited us for a surprise birthday party given for Anita auntie tomorrow, 8 November at Grand Central Hotel. Tomorrow at, date is given, 8 November at Grand Central Hotel at 7 p.m. Okay. At 7 p.m. So you can write like this. Now find different ways in which you can send an invitation using the internet. Using the internet, you can send a different. Through the internet, an invitation can be sent via email, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and other such social networking sites. You can send email to the invitation through email, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and other such social networking sites. Okay. Many times the school authorities have to communicate with your parents. How is it done in your school? How are written communications being sent? In my school, written communications are sent through the notices. Yes, in school, written communications are sent through the notices, SMS, telephone, invitation cards, web pages, newsletters, quarterly report, card, comments, and via school staff such as the peon or an attendant. So in this way, we can send an invitation through email, internet, Twitter. So this is about the invitation, formal invitation. So here we have finished this topic, seeing eyes, helping hands. Invitation. On you have to prepare a formal invitation on in one subject. Okay. In this way, we have revised the lesson, seeing eyes, helping hand. So this is the one kind of project. Okay. In which we have done formal invitation, oral invitation, telephone communication means oral invitation, and notice, a written notice. Understood? So you have to prepare formal invitation on one subject. Okay. So before it, we will stop here. Next topic we will see in the next video, or we will revise in the next video. Okay. Bye.